Babies, why are you all crying? You know at Play Toys channel we have entertainment. Hey babies, look at this play box. Do you see the little holes? Star, triangle, circle, square, and a starish. Are you ready to play? Blue, triangle, push, red circle, and push, blue, square, down, yellow, circle, push, a beautiful green star, orange star. Hey, at Play Toys channel it's so much fun! Learning colors and shapes in English. Green, square, orange, triangle, red, figure, and last one, yellow figure. Good babies, Play Toy channel entertains and learns. Chocolate egg surprise McQueen. Our babies were so good that here at Play Toy channel we're going to open Kinder Surprise eggs as a present to all of our babies. Let's see, a car! Yellow McQueen car. Here is the full collection. Now we need the stickers. What a wonderful, funny, great car! Next one is Princess Anna and Olaf from top hit movie Disney Frozen. Open, open. A flyer with all the collection. And I think we got Elsa. Yeah, this is Queen Elsa pendant. You can put it on your keys or necklace. And our last egg is Batman. Hey! That's a really spooky figure. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video at Play Toys channel. If you liked it, please subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.